This is why houses aren't selling. Some flipper came in, put marble, granite countertops, stainless appliances, tiny little kitchen, and then they converted this little carport or porch into a bedroom. So this is one bedroom. Got laundry and utility in here. Got clean but old crappy brown tile. Got our AC unit here. Bedroom number 2. The floor is starting to come up in a bunch of different areas here. We have bathroom 2, and it looks like they just painted over whatever this tile was because there's splotches and tape lines here. And then just kind of re-grouted this in. Then you walk through whatever this is to go to the 3rd bedroom. Hideous tile. And they put it on the floor, the shower, and the kitchen backsplash. So I guess this is a closet for the master, which is right here. And the floor is all wavy and bumpy and coming up. There's a nice little step up that they just kind of went over to get into here. And this looks like a converted garage, kind of. I don't know. I don't know anymore. What is this? What is this room? And there's a closet in a closet with access to a master bath. Such a weird house. It's been on the market 322 days. Yikes.